Our democracy depends on everyone being able to access information freely and form their own opinions. That's why it's so important to prevent public opinion from being distorted or manipulated. Until now, media laws ensure that no single broadcaster gained too much power. But today, that is no longer enough. Algorithms now determine which content is visible and which is not. The rules of large-scale social media platforms like TikTok or YouTube shape how people think and make decisions. With the rise of major online platforms, new powerful actors have emerged. Not only platform operators, but also data brokers, app developers, influencers, and automated accounts known as bots. All of them can influence public opinion. What has emerged is a complex and opaque web of technology, people, and interests, a socio-technical ecosystem. In this system, influence is no longer exercised only by media outlets with large audiences, but through countless small decisions made behind the scenes. So what does this mean for media regulation? A closer look is needed. Who makes which decisions? Where does influence arise? How do technology and humans interact from devices to software? This requires a new perspective. That is exactly where the STEAM research project comes in, the socio-technical ecosystem architecture method. In an interdisciplinary team spanning computer science, law, and ethics, we analyze all relevant actors and their connections. To do this, we use architectural models from computer science. STEAM makes visible how data flows, how recommendation algorithms work, where decisions are made, and whose interests they serve. How is such a model created? We talk to experts and analyze public documents, such as terms of service and privacy policies. Let's take Google News as an example. The service aggregates news from many media outlets and constantly reorders them. Whether certain providers are disadvantaged cannot be determined by looking at the interface alone. Many factors are decisive: contracts, algorithmic settings, and technical resources in the background. Influence can therefore arise in very different places. The STEAM method helps make these structures visible. It supports regulators, companies, and legislators. The aim is not to create more rules at any cost, but to identify risks to free and lively discourse, make them transparent, and discuss them publicly. STEAM lays the foundation for understanding power structures in the digital communication space, and for making our democratic systems fit for the future.